Hello children. Today in science we are going to see a new chapter which is about head to toy. In the last class we have learnt animals, paws and wings. I hope all have completed your workbook of first and second chapter. Now we will discuss about the head to toy and food and digestion. Okay children, all living things need food. Food helps us to grow and to stay alive. It gives us energy to work and keeps us fit and healthy. We eat wheat, rice, vegetables, fruits and pulses. Some of us also eat meat, fish and eggs. Food contains substance called nutrients, which provide nourishment to the body. Okay. See here. Whenever our body needs food, we tend to feel hungry. Eating food drives away hunger. This is true for animals and us. Yes or no? Yes, this is true for animals and us. Plants prepare their own food in the form of sugar. Do they prepare for food only when they are hungry? No. Food only? Okay. Do plants feel hungry? They need sugar to run their functions. Plants need sugar to run their functions. Our bodies need important substance called nutrients. What is nutrients, children? Nutrients in food. Food contains nutrients like proteins, carbohydrate, fats, vitamins and minerals. Food also contains roughage and water. Our bodies need important substance called nutrients, which we get from the food we eat and drink. These nutrients help us to grow, help the body to repair damaged cells and provide energy which we need to live and be active. Okay children, tell me, what do nutrients do for us? What do nutrients do for us? It is important that we have balanced diet so we don't miss out on any essential nutrients. This means we must eat food from all groups, namely carbohydrates, fats, proteins, vitamins, minerals and fibers. Each group is essential for proper functioning of our body. Carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins and minerals are the main nutrients of food. Carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins and minerals are the main nutrients of food. Okay children, what do nutrients do for us? See here, we are carbohydrates. We are present as starch in most foods. We provide you with the instant energy you need to perform your daily activities. We are the first foods to be digested. Your body breaks the starch into simple sugar which gives you the energy. We are known as energy suppliers. Yes. Carbohydrates gives us energy to work. People who do more physical work need more carbohydrates. Sugar and starch are two types of carbohydrates. Okay children, carbohydrates give us energy to work. People who do more physical work need more carbohydrates. Sugar and starch starch are two types of carbohydrate. See here, rice, potato, corn, banana, bread, cake, noodles. These are contain starch. Rice, wheat and potato contain starch. Okay. Eating too much of us will make you fat and lazy. Eating too little of us will make you feel tired, low on energy and irritated. That is means. Okay children, tell me, are pads helpful our body? Are pads helpful our body? Pads give twice as much energy as carbohydrates and proteins if they are consumed in small quantities. They are good. Young children who are active should have more as they help in nourishing brain and nervous system. In cold regions or in winter they keep us warm. See here children, tick the people who need more carbohydrates in their diet. Tick here because he doing very toughest work, no? So he need more carbohydrates in their diet. Next, tick here. He also playing the ball. So he also need more carbohydrates in their diet. See here, they also need more carbohydrates in their diet. Okay. Next, what food would you suggest to them? Last question is there. What food would you suggest to them? Do you know? We suggest cereals, potato, cake and fruits. Okay. Next, we are proteins. We help in building, maintaining and repairing the cells, which are the building blocks of your body. We help you to grow and stay strong. We are known as bodybuilders. We are known as bodybuilders. Proteins help us to grow. This is where children need more protein. Eggs, fish, meat, cheese, peas and pulses contain proteins. Food that are rich in proteins are called bodybuilding foods. What is that? Food that are rich in proteins are called bodybuilding foods. Some proteins are made by the body, the other need to be eaten in food. Why do you think requires more proteins? Why? Why do you think requires more proteins? Why? The young boy, see here, the young boy require more proteins. Proteins help in building, maintaining and repairing the cells, which are the building blocks of his body. Proteins help him to grow and stay strong. He should take pulses, milk, nuts, meat, fish, eggs and chicken to get proteins. Okay. Why do you think requires more proteins? Why? What would you suggest to the person? The young boy requires more proteins. Proteins help in building, maintaining and repairing the cells which are the building blocks of his body. Proteins help him to grow and study strong. He should take pulses, milk, nuts, meat, fish, eggs and chicken to get proteins. Okay children, these are protein. Food rich in protein help us to grow. Okay. Next, we are pets. We are pets. We give twice as much energy as carbohydrates and proteins. We are storehouses of energy which are stored in your body as fat cells for future use. We also surround and protect the organs inside your body. Fats gives us more energy than starch or sugar. Oil, nuts and butter contains fat. Fats help to keep our body warm. Extra fat is stored in the body for future use. However, we must not have too much fat. Foods that are rich in carbohydrates and fats are called energy giving foods. Okay. All of you need us. We are good in consumed in small quantities. Eating too much of us will do you more harm than good. Young children who are active can have more of us. We help in nourishing your brain and nervous system. We also help you to stay warm. See here, circle the foods which are rich in fat. Potato chips, cheese, chocolates. These are rich in fat. Okay. Why do you think should consume more fat? Why? What food would you suggest to them? See here, the thin boy should consume more fat. Fats give twice energy than carbohydrates and proteins. Fats will surround and protect the organs inside his body. They help in nourishing his brain and nervous system. He should use ghee, butter, corn, cream, groundnuts and oil in his food to gain fats and store them for future use. Okay. Next. We provide with the fuel of benefits. We are known as minerals. We are found in rocks, metals, soil and water. Some of us are very essential to keep you healthy. Calcium makes your bones and teeth strong. Iron makes your blood healthy. Phosphorus, iodine and salt are some other minerals your body needs. Okay. Vitamins help our body to fight diseases. Minerals help in the formation. Minerals help in the formation of bones, teeth and blood. Calcium, see here, calcium Potassium, sodium, iodine and iron are some examples of minerals. Okay, calcium, potassium, iron, iodine, sodium, these are some examples of minerals. We get vitamins and minerals from fresh fruits. Here, fresh fruits, vegetables, meat, fish, liver and milk. Foods rich in vitamins and minerals keep us fit and healthy. They are called protective foods. They are called protective foods. Okay. We are vitamins. See here, vitamins. Vitamins A, vitamins B, vitamins C, vitamins D, vitamins E, vitamins and K vitamins. We do very important jobs. We help you to grow and stay fit and healthy. We are known by the letters of the alphabet. These are A, B, C, D, E and K. Most food contains us. Okay. Next, here some pictures are there. I am very good for your eyes and keep your skin healthy. Carrot, leaves, milk and some other foods very good for our eyes and keep our skin healthy. See here, egg, nuts, fish, milk, cheese, these are releasing energy from other nutrients and also help in formation of red blood cells. Okay, see here, some fruits are there, tomato, strawberry, orange and apple. These are help in healing cuts and wounds. See here, milk, butter, eggs, sunlight help in building strong bones and teeth. See here, groundnuts, oil, butter, cereals. These are help stay younger for long. See here, broccoli, egg, milk, spinach or some leaves keep your blood clean and healthy and protect you from infections. Okay, both of us, minerals and vitamins, are known as protective foods. We boost your immune system and help you fight the most dangerous diseases. Okay, children, see here. How will vitamins and minerals help each of these people? Baby is there, boy is there and human beings are there? No. How will vitamins and minerals help each of these people? See here, this weak man needs minerals. Weak man, see here, this weak man needs minerals and vitamins to boost his immune system and fight the most dangerous diseases. He should take iron to make his blood healthy. He can take eggs, milk, nuts, fish, etc. enriched with vitamin A, B, etc. Next, second, the boy with weak eyesight. Okay, eyesight should take milk, carrot, green and leafy vegetables to fulfill the deficiency of vitamin A. Next, third, this small child needs vitamin A, B, D and K. His food should include milk, eggs, butter to help in building strong bones and teeth. Next, last one, the injured boy is required to take vitamin C rich food like orange, sweet lime, strawberry, which helps in healing cuts and wounds. Okay, children. Next, we provide you with other nutrients but are especially rich in dietary fiber. Vegetables, fruits and cereals contain fiber. Fiber cannot be broken down or digested. So it is known as roughage. So it is known as roughage. As such, fiber has no food value, but it helps to keep the waste moving through the digestive system till it passes out of the body. See here, roughage. Roughage is a fiber present in our food. It is necessary for the proper functioning of the digestive system. It adds bulk to the food. Okay, children. Next, see here, water. Almost 75. Tick the correct answer. 75 of our body is made of water. We need water to digest the food we consume. It is necessary to drink at least 8 to 10 glasses of water every day. It also helps us to keep our system clean by removing impurities and wastes in the form of urine and sweat. Water is essential for our body to function properly. 3/4 of our body weight is water. Okay, like fiber, water also has no food value, yet it is the most important component of our food. See here, children, many fruits and vegetables contain water. Name 2 such fruits and 2 vegetables. Right here, grapes and sweet lime. These are fruits. Next, gourd, bottle gourd, cucumber. Okay. Next, we tend to drink more water in summer than in winter. Why? During summer, due to high temperature of the surrounding, we lost much water portion in the form of sweat. So, to keep balance, we tend to drink more water in summer than in winter. Okay, children. Next class, we will continue digestive. Next class, we will learn digestion of food and the process of digestion. Okay, children, we will continue next class. Take care. Bye. Do the work correctly, neatly, and read difficult spellings also. Okay, and underline the difficult words also. Okay, bye.